How to fix NBA 2K24 account crashing PC Steam just on your account. For this, what we have to do is simply check our Steam account here. I will simply log into my account and search for the game that is NBA 2K24. Simply search for it, and whenever you will click it, you will get all the details regarding the pricing of the game and how you download it. You will get all the steps here in front of you. You can download or install it in your laptop just after buying this game from here. Now what you have to do is, if it's not working, then how can you solve the issue? Firstly, you have to refresh your computer, then check your network connection, because this type of error usually occurs because of the weak network connection or any interruption in between your internet. So we will check that, and secondly, we will check one more thing, that is, we will simply restart our PC if the problem is continue right now. So let me just click on the start button to shut down my PC or restart it within some seconds. Once you will restart your PC, you won't face any type of error like this, and you can simply do whatever you want with game. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more.